Taxonomic categories and hierarchy. Every living organism on Earth is unique, yet many share similar features. To study this vast diversity, scientists classify organisms into groups based on shared characteristics. But classification is not a single step. It involves a hierarchy of levels called taxonomic categories. Together, these levels form what we call the taxonomic hierarchy. Each level or rank in this hierarchy is called a taxon, plural, taxa. For example, insects share common features like 3 pairs of jointed legs, so they form a distinct taxon. Similarly, birds, mammals, and plants also form their own taxonomic groups. Through centuries of study, scientists developed 7 major categories of classification arranged from highest to lowest: kingdom, phylum or division in plants, class, order, family, genus, and species. Let's understand them one by one. 1. Kingdom, the largest and highest category. All animals are placed in kingdom Animalia and all plants in kingdom Plantae. 2. Phylum or division in plants, a group of related classes. For example, fishes, reptiles, birds, and mammals belong to the phylum Chordata as they share features like a notochord and a dorsal nerve cord. 3. Class, formed by related orders. Example, orders Primata, monkeys, apes, and Carnivora, cats, dogs, together form the class Mammalia. 4. Order, made up of related families. Example, families Felidae, cats, and Canidae, dogs, belong to the order Carnivora. 5. Family, includes related genera with fewer similarities than a genus. Example, Panthera, lion, tiger, and Felis, cats, belong to the family Felidae. In plants, Solanum, Petunia, and Datura belong to the family Solanaceae. 6. Genus, a group of closely related species. Example, Panthera leo, lion, Panthera tigris, tiger, and Panthera pardus, leopard, all belong to the same genus Panthera. 7. Species, the basic and smallest unit of classification. It includes organisms that share fundamental similarities and can breed among themselves. For example, Mangifera indica, mango, Solanum tuberosum, potato, and Panthera leo, lion. Here, indica, tuberosum, and leo are the species names. As we move from kingdom to species, the number of shared characteristics increases while the range of organisms becomes narrower. This systematic arrangement helps scientists identify, compare, and study living organisms in an organized and scientific way. Let's summarize today's topic. 1. Classification involves a hierarchy of categories called the taxonomic hierarchy. 2. Each level is a taxon, a unit of classification. 3. 7 main categories from highest to lowest: kingdom, phylum or division, class, order, family, genus, species. 4. Kingdom is the broadest category. Species is the most specific. 5. As we go lower, similarities increase and diversity decreases. 6. This hierarchy helps biologists systematically organize and study all forms of life on Earth.